Hi, I'm Bri with this month's tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to reorder fields from your account profile. To start, navigate to the admin menu on the left and click Custom Fields. This will show you each object that you can edit. I am going to click Account to edit those fields there. This page will show you each field as it's currently connected, as well as any groupings of fields that you may have. And I'm going to scroll back up and click on Reorder in the top right to make some bigger changes. From here, it'll show you each one of those groupings, as well as the group of fields that is not actually grouped, but they're just sitting at the top. To start, I'm going to create a brand new group, which I am going to call Account Details. And you can hit Save here. It'll save it immediately to the very bottom of the page, but you can always highlight this grouping and with the arrows on the right, move it higher or lower on the page. I can also expand this to see what fields are currently in the group, and after scrolling up to see all of the fields that are at the top, I can then start selecting additional fields to move to that group. This indicator will always show you the number of fields you currently have selected. I can use single arrows to move them higher or lower in their existing grouping. The double arrows will move every single field selected to the very top or very bottom of that same grouping. And move fields will move them to whatever grouping of fields you'd like. So I'm going to move them to account details here. I'm going to clear my selection, minimize the groupings to see a little bit more data, and then hit OK. That will immediately reflect on the page that you're looking at now, so I can see my new grouping with account details as well as fields I have selected. And if you scroll down and hit save, that change will reflect across every single account in ChurnZero. Thanks so much for tuning in. Keep an eye out for our next installment of tips and tricks.